3 things. Korean people don't do that shock foreigners. First, they don't say bless me after sneezing in public. In Korea, people usually just sneeze without saying anything. Many foreigners find this surprising since in their home countries it's normal to say bless me or sorry. Second, you should not pay for yourself when eating together with Koreans. In Korea, the oldest or most senior person at the table usually pays the bill. If you insist on paying, it might even come across as rude. And lastly, advanced toilet culture, but also confusing. Korean toilets often come with heated seats, music buttons, bidets, and automatic flush. But in some places, toilet paper can't be flushed. You have to throw it in a bin next to the toilet.